Traditional businesses, you could probably look at real estate as an example. You buy a rental property and everything, and then you get a tenant in there, and then over a long period of time, you have appreciation. Or you get the tenant to be consistent at paying the rent, and you increase it 10% every year. This is what I call a linear growth. We'll see something like this where it's linear, right? This is like year 1, this is year 2. With YouTube, it's different, okay? When you look at YouTube, you got to understand how it actually works. It's exponential. So when you first start a YouTube channel, it'll look something like this. It'll be kind of going up, but not really. And then it'll out of nowhere just explode like this. And this is because with YouTube, you're creating a bunch of videos, sometimes 50 plus videos in this period of time before you ever see any true growth. You're maybe getting 100 views a video, sometimes not even that, before you finally get an outbreak video. That one outbreak video makes everything go off on your channel. Now, here's something that people don't talk about as well, is that once you get this exponential growth, it doesn't always stay. It will have ups and downs. So this is what happens. It'll go down like this, but then it'll go back up like this, down like this, and then back up. But over a period of time, the goal is that the baseline, the low, will continue to go up over a period of time. And that's where you get the linear growth.